I use 9mm hook and spaghetti yarn. Make magic circle, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make one chain, stitch first round in this ring, make single crochet, pull up yarn, 2, 3, 4, 5, make 5 single crochet. With this chains we have 6 stitches in first round. Go to first chain, this, yarn over, slip stitch, make one chain, go to first stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one, 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make one, 2, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Make 2 single crochet in last stitch. In this round we have 12 stitches. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make one chain, go to first stitch, make one single crochet, one single crochet in each stitch for this round. Go to first chain, slip stitch, make a chain, make one single crochet in each stitch for this round. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull up yarn into last stitch, pull through, go to first chain, slip stitch,